Hey everybody, just going to show my project, my CTC. My name's Jamie Nix and I've got a 91 Crescent. I drug this trailer pretty much out of a field that my uncle had owned it for years, and I finally talked him into selling it to me. And it was pretty rough. The tractor had went through the front of it. Bucket had went through and bent all the front end up, and the top had a few holes in it where a limb went through it and had some holes in the side. But I did get most of my stuff. A lot of people's gonna think, why did you put this much work into this, enclosed trailer to do a CTC, but the thing was, I didn't expect to go this far as with any project. I actually got a deal on Marketplace. A guy worked at a factory he works at a factory and he gets to bid on the second stuff, anything at second. So when I went down there, I intentionally went down there to buy the door and ended up buying all the sheeting to redo the sides completely, and I'm so glad that I did. I ended up buying my fenders from the guy, replacement fenders, and I actually just cut the steel fenders and put the aluminum fenders over the steel fenders and then rivet them back down so I'd have extra strength because I like the way the aluminum looks. I got the door, the fenders, the rims and tires, and all the sheeting and the back windows for the back setting area. So I'll give you a tour of it right here. All right, this is my CTC. This is the door I was telling you about that I got. It's just a 24-inch door. I had to move the bars in the frame to get it to fit right. And the main reason I wanted a smaller door is because I'm actually gonna have the back half of this to hold a four-wheeler. This will mainly be done for my hunting and different trips. Me and my wife go out. I bought a pop-up camper that I got the dinette out of, and we use some of the electrical part. I'm gonna redo the framing of this. I have all the cushions, which I'll have a working bathroom and everything. As you can see, the top metal is still factory. The sides are all brand new. Fenders are new. The whole front, all new metal in the front. The top, I actually blasted it, re-gelled it, and then end up putting bed liner on the top of it. It's all new screws, all new bolts. Added my little light, the porch light. All new trim from Vintage. Well, not all of it's new, but most of it is. Ordered a heavy duty vinyl insert. Rims and tires. It's got Dexter axles so I can pop the plugs out and grease them up, which is super handy. I love Dexter axles. That's the window. When I bought the window, he didn't have the frame kit for the inside, so I had to make some brackets from work, but they fit nice. They've got the emergency exit and everything. Though I did not change the back latch and springs yet. I'm going to try to clean them up a little bit better, but we totally rebuilt the rear end. The door was messed up pretty bad. That's my logo for Piney Life and on YouTube, and Piney Outdoors on Facebook, my hunting channel. All new LED upgrades, all new LED lights, all the new trim. Like I said, the windows. But it's took a year, which I paused during deer season, but got back on it. The rock guard I got from here, and actually I made a 4x8 sheet, two 4x8 sheets work. The front's 3 foot by 60 inches. Then the rest of it that I trimmed off was used on the back. And a little piece of aluminum in the front. So I picked up my insulation today and my foam for the insides, and I'm completely cutting the floor out and going to check all my welds, wire brush them down, re-weld everything that needs to be re-welded, and then we're going to paint the CDX 3/4 plywood. The bottom, we're going to bed liner it and then trim it out and bolt it down, and anyway, finish it up. So it turned out pretty good. Please leave me comments below, and if you get a chance, go check out my pages. See y'all soon. And like always, God bless.